Section 2. Basis of project. Designing a detention pond with sufficient daily capacity of grey water. Grey water is defined as rainwater that can be used generally, but not for human consumption. Issues raised were the possibility of swelling soils, and to satisfy the aesthetic value of the campus park, the berm should be no more than 5 meters in height and should have a health and safety plan included. Aims of the project. To design a berm which will have little or no seepage. Explore the issue of membranes, deciding whether or not one is needed. Determine a suitable slope that will support the volume of the berm sufficiently. Further explore the concept of swelling soils, as mentioned in the brief. Investigate whether or not the on-site soil is capable of retaining grey water in the detention pond. Correlate a detailed health and safety plan that will agree with the health and safety regulations. The Atterberg limits results. The liquid limit of the sample taken was 58%, plastic limit 29%. By subtracting one from the other, our plasticity index can be found, and that is 29. The soil we tested was a clay of high plasticity, which appeared above the A line on the Casa Grande soil classification chart. The falling height test is used to determine the coefficient of permeability of fine soils, such as fine sands, silts, and clays. The cone petrometer test is used to determine the liquid limit of a soil sample. The sieve analysis test determines what percentage of the soil is silt and the percentage of clay and the soil classification. The moisture condition value, MCV, is used to determine what level of compaction the soil can achieve. The Proctor test is used to achieve the optimum moisture contact and maximum dry density. The shear test, this is used to establish whether the compacted soil will shear if force was applied to it. Health and safety. Fencing to be located at the bottom of the berm, 1 metre back from the outside slope, including a gate at the access ramp. Fence and gate will be 2.5 metres high. Outside slope. At ground level of berm, a base anchor or steadfast solid structure which prevents the berm from sliding will be inserted. High visibility vests, steel toe cap boots must be worn at all times when on or near the site, during and after construction. Appropriate signage. Signs warning the public about possible dangers around in the berm will be posted around the site.